My name is Bhavsar Pranav and I am from Electrical Department. My college name is Diwaliba Polytechnic, Uka University, Bardoli. This is my team.
My name is Janice Rathod from Electrical Department, second year Diwaliba Polytechnic.
My name is Mistry from Mechanical Department, second year Diwaliba Polytechnic.
My name is Prajapati Devas. I am from Mechanical Department, second year Diwaliba Polytechnic.
Our project is to make a line follower robot which is capable to following a given path. It can use for a various purpose. Here is our working model.
Thanks
for watching.